Kinibingelele bafowethu, ngiyanamukela kuyona i-channel. If you are new, please don't forget to subscribe to this channel and also like this video. These are two photos engiwathole one of the groups, especially our e-hailing laphana on Facebook. It's a pity bafowethu because we are all trying to make a living by doing lezi zinto esizenzayo, either be e-hailing, sibala lapho ke mhlambe uthutha istaff or wenza nje izinto ehlukahlukene ngayo imoto. Unfortunately ke kube buhlungu kwesinye isikhathi ke uma sitholana nezimo ezifana nalezi. I'm talking out of my heart. Ngikhuluma lento engikhulumayo because I know abantu abaningi ukuthi bazikhandla kangakanani bezama ukubeka isinkwa noma ke isobho etafuleni. So la I just bumped into this post lana ke omunye wabafowethu ekhala ngokuthi ke imoto kamfowabo ikhendliwe njengoba niyibona lapha na ke isithombe sayo lapha, of which imoto futhi ke kushuthi ke eyolashwa noma ke eyofakwa lama parts lawa anjontshwe kule moto, imoto futhi ke ezongena emgaqweni iqhubeke isebenza. I don't know ukuthi abantu ke bacabanga kanjani. Okay, let's say it's a bit better because there is a car, a sale yabo as a whole. They only took parts, but it still doesn't make any sense for umuntu ukuthi ke athi sebenza kodwa ke kube kunabantu abambuyisele emuva. Kuye kodwa ke bese sibheka nendawo bafowethu ke esibeka kuzona ke mhlambe impahla noma ke indawo esilala kuzona ukuthi ke ku safe kangakanani endaweni esihlala kuzona njalo, because if ngibuka leya surrounding lapha yana ngathi kusemkhukwini lapha yana, uyabo. So I don't think ukuthi ke leya ndawo is safe ngokwanele ukuthi ke imoto ingavele ke makuukuthi ilale lapha, because obviously ke umsebenzi wasebusuku lo abantu la bengaboni khona okanye abantu belele khona. I think ubunye bobudedengu obunganothisekanga by umnikazi noma ke udriver wayo imoto, kodwa ke kuyinto nje imbi nebhlungu kakhulu ukuthi ke abantu bathi bezama wena kodwa ke ubusy ubabuyisela ke emuva. Nganza kwethu if it possible, because umfowethu lapha ke wabhalile ama details akhe. I even made a screenshot. Here are the details ke wabhala ke ukuthi in case you know anything, but then lolu dabo lapha eThekwini, if you know this place you will realize or you will recognize the place. Anyways bafethu,